Hello and welcome to Daily Current Affairs by Ekam IAS. Today is 14 June 2019 and the topics for discussion are Information Fusion Center, Asiatic Golden Cat, Gulf of Oman, OPEC, Map Aided Program and the previous year question revision series. Coming to the first topic, Information Fusion Center. What is Information Fusion Center? It is a single point center which connects all the coastal radars in our country to give a seamless real-time picture. It has been established by the Indian Navy's Information Management and Analysis Center at Gurugram. The Information Fusion Center will have information on the white shipping agreements with India and other countries. So coming to the next question as what is White Shipping Center? White Shipping Center, White Shipping Agreement is an agreement between various countries with India wherein they exchange the information of the commercial ships traveling through the Indian Ocean region. In a similar topic is that Trans-Regional Maritime Network. It is a multilateral contract comprising of 30 countries steered by Italy. It facilitates information exchange on the movement of commercial traffic in high seas. The next topic is Asiatic Golden Cat. It has been in news because different kinds of color morphs of this cat has been discovered in Arunachal Pradesh. So you will ask, what is color morphs? Color morphs are basically occurrence of two or more distinct types of colors of an animal within the same population. These color morphs are not different subspecies, but they happen due to mutation. The major threats of this cat is hunting, habitat loss and deforestation. Currently, the IUCN status is near threatened. The next topic, as you can see, is Gulf of Oman. Now let's talk about why Gulf of Oman is in news. Recently, if you've been reading the newspaper, you'll see that 2 oil tankers had been attacked in this Gulf of Oman region. Now, Gulf of Oman, it's also called the Sea of Oman, is a gulf that connects the Arabian Sea with that of the Persian Gulf through the Hormuz Strait. You can see this in the diagram. It's very important because UPSC has a trend of asking such questions. The next topic, OPEC. OPEC, as you all know, is a permanent intergovernmental organization of 14 oil exporting countries. It was founded initially in 1960 in the Baghdad Agreement with 5 members: Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela. Rest of the countries joined later. Currently, its headquarters is in Vienna, Austria. Recently, it came in news because Qatar had left OPEC. Coming to the Map Aided Program, today we'll be talking about the national parks of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh has 3 national parks. The first one, Sri Venkateshwara National Park. Many of you will be knowing that the famous Tirupati temple is situated in this national park. The second is Rajiv Gandhi National Park. It is also called as Rameshwaram National Park. The third and final is Papikonda National Park. It mostly consists of dry deciduous forests. Coming to the previous year question revision series, here's the question. Which of the following are the tributaries of Brahmaputra? 1. Dibang, 2. Kameng, 3. Lohit. So, if you read the previous year question papers regularly, you'll understand that UPSC has a trend of asking tributaries of major rivers in India. So, in this case, if you take the 3 rivers, all the 3 rivers are tributaries of Brahmaputra. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the session. If you have any doubts or queries, you can please mention it in the comment section below. Thank you and have a good day.